Hello and welcome again to class. We're still simplifying logarithmic equation, and in most of the questions we've been having so far, they will be converted to first quadratic equation and then we'll find the roots. Now take note, this may take some time, but I'm sure you're equal to the task. So let's delve in quickly to what we have today. Now previously we had this, and we solved it. Now you want to go back to the previous video, please go back to the previous video. And just to say this, you've been gaining value, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Now what we have is this, and what do we do? The log in base 10 of x plus 9 equals to 1 plus the log in base 10 of x plus 1 minus log in base 10 of x minus 2. So what we do here is to see how we collect like terms first. So what we do is that we collect like terms. Collecting like terms means that those that look alike, we bring them together. So this doesn't have log, this has log, this has log, this has log. So these that have log come here. So of course you know the previous basic rules in maths. So this is going to be log in base 10. If you forgot to check the previous videos where I followed this. So this has a minus sign. So this sign, this plus sign belongs to this man. So it's going to move to this place with its sign. Actually, you did the negative inverse. Now let's leave this out. It's actually here. Here. So this one moves here. This plus becomes minus. Minus log in base 10 of x plus 1. And then when this one crosses the equal sign, this minus sign belongs to this. So you cross equal sign. Actually, we did the negative reverse, but because of the length of the video, the length of the solving, and previously I've done it that way. So this is going to turn to plus log in base 10 of x minus 2. Then equals to 1. Now, the rule in log is if I have log a of b and minus log a of c, what that means is that it's going to be, I use a general log for them, b divided by c. So when I have the log out, it's going to be a division. If it were to be times, if it were to be addition here, this is going to be times b times c. Now the same thing will follow here. So because we have this to be division, but let's follow the rules of BODMAS. If you follow the rules of BODMAS, we're going to do division, multiplication for division. So that will mean we rearrange this is going to be, log in base 10 of x plus 9. This is rearranged, but the signs are not changed. Plus log in base 10 of 2 minus x minus 2. This is log in base 10. The difference here is that here there is no crossing of equal sign, you only rearranged it, so the signs here are not changed. They maintain the sign 1. Now, having got this, we will now see that these two have the same log. And this also have log, so these two will multiply because the addition, this will be a division. So this is going to be log x plus 9 times this x minus 2. This is a minus sign, supposed to be a division, so it's actually going to be, now I can now make the log to be bigger. This one will be x plus 1. Then the big log in base 10 will be outside. Is equals to 1. So the ones that are related by plus is made to become minus and multiplication. While the relation, these two are now going to be divided by the other, will have a division sign. For the sake of length, I've cut something I could have made a bit easier here. It's going to be very lengthy if we try to follow it this way. So I haven't had this What we can do is this. Let's remember that 1 is the same thing as log. In logarithm, log a of a is equals to 1, or log 20 of 20 is equals to 1. So 1 is the same as log 20 of 20. Any number, the rule is that any number to the log of itself, let's say 100 to log 100 in quotes, or 5 in base, log 5 in base 5, log 10 in base 10, log 20 in base 20, all give you 1. So that means this 1 is the same thing as log 10 in base 10. Why did I choose 10? It's because this is already a 10, so we want it to match with this. So this is actually going to become log 10 in base 10. So what you're going to be having, let me bring it here. The board is not going to take, is going to be log in base 10 of what? X plus 9 into brackets, x minus 2, or x plus 1, and then this will now become log in base 10 of 10. Log in base 10 of 10. So this will become log in base 10 of 10. So to this end, I want to erase this place. So we'll move on. So space will still not do. Let me take the question off 2. When I get to the place, I'll stop. So we'll call the video. So from here now, let's see how do we go. This log cuts this off. So what remains becomes x minus 9 plus 9 and x, x minus 2 all over x plus 1 is equals to 10, which remains log 10 has cancelled each other out. So this will be 10. At this place is what we call in science we cross multiply. Or the actual thing that was done is multiply both sides by the denominator of this. So you multiply both sides or just do cross multiply. In which case understand that this place is actually 1. Any number, if it is 14 is the same thing as 14 over 1, 20 is the same thing as 20 over 1, 100 is the same thing as 100 over 1. So divided by 1, because any number divided by 1 is still the same number. So when we cross multiply here, this multiply this multiply this. So 1 times all this, 1 times anything gives you the same thing. So you still have x plus 9 and x minus 2. This will become 10 times this, become 10 times x plus 1. So when we open this up, we'll move from here. Now let's open this up. Here we have x plus 9, x minus 2 equals 10 times x plus 1. To open this up, we're going to do, let's start with this. This multiplies this, right? And it also multiplies this. So x times x is x squared. X times minus 2 is going to be minus 2x. Then this will multiply this, and it will also multiply this. Plus times plus is plus. 9 times x is 9x. Now 9 plus, so now plus times minus is what? Minus 9 times 2 is what? 18. 18. So what will happen on this right hand side is remaining. The right hand side, 10 will multiply this, and 10 will also multiply 1. 10 times x is 10x, and 10 times 1 is what? 10. This is what we have. I will have this. We'll now have to move this in together. Now, I think this is interesting. Okay, let's move it in. Now, we'll bring this in so everyone will match each other. So just like still collecting like tabs. or let's put them in first. So we still have x raised to the power 2 minus 2x plus 9x. This then goes to mean this, right? Or you bring it in, it becomes, this is actually a plus invisible, plus it becomes minus 10x. And this is this minus 18, and this one crosses the equal sign and becomes minus 10. Nothing remains on the right side, which is equal to 0. Just put the 0 there. So from this place now we are getting close to the quadratic equation. Now if you don't understand, ask a question in the comment section, or it's not impossible we can repeat this question other times. It's okay, just because of you. Now this one doesn't have one that is close to it, so let's go. This one repeated, squared, minus 2x plus 9. I'm owing to x and I pay with 9x, what remains 7. So it's at the same time saying 9 minus 2, which is plus 7x. Then, oh sorry, plus 7x. Then this is another 10x. Then this 10 minus 7. 7 minus 10 is actually going to be minus 3. So okay, what we have here is minus 2 plus 9 minus 10. Okay, let's go straight now. Minus 2 plus 9 is going to give us plus 7. Plus 7x minus 10. 7 minus 10 will give you minus 3. Because 7 is not as big as 10, 10 is bigger, so it's going to be minus 3. So what we'll have here going to be minus 3x. So this part is done. So now going to be running here. So minus 18 minus 10. Minus 18 minus 10 is what? I'm owing $18 and I'm still owing another $10. Am I still owing? Yes. How much am I owing altogether? It is minus 28. So it's going to be minus 28. So this is what it becomes. Then the 0 remains. At this point we go to the quadratic equation. I believe it's the right time to stop because of the length of the video. For the next class, we will continue from here. Please let's meet again in the next class. Thank you so much. Now I'm being conscious of the length of the video. Now I want you to stay tuned in the next class. We'll continue from here. And thank you so much for liking, subscribing. If you have a question, please put it down in the comment section. Thank you. See you again in the next class.